Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product for all you jewelry making enthusiasts out there. We found the Beadalon 7-Strand Stainless Steel Beading Wire, and we've linked it in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is all about. The Beadalon 7-Strand Wire is a high-quality beading wire designed specifically for jewelry making. It measures 0.015 inches, or 0.38 millimeters in diameter, and comes in a generous 30-foot length. This wire is not only tarnish-resistant but also features a nylon coating that gives it a polished finish. It's made in the USA, which speaks to its quality and durability. One of the standout features of this beading wire is its construction. It consists of 7 stainless steel microstrands that provide excellent strength and flexibility. This means you can create intricate jewelry designs without worrying about kinking or breakage. The wire drapes beautifully, making it perfect for delicate necklaces or sturdy bracelets. The nylon coating offers additional protection against wear and tear, ensuring that your finished pieces maintain their beauty over time. Another great aspect of the Beadalon wire is its versatility. It comes in a range of diameters, from 0.010 inches to 0.024 inches, allowing you to select the perfect wire for every project you undertake. Whether you're working with tiny seed beads or larger focal beads, there's a wire to match your specific needs. Plus, the clear nylon coating over the silver-plated, tarnish-resistant alloy wire enhances both durability and aesthetics, allowing your designs to remain vibrant and polished. You can also find it in various finishes, including metallic and satin, which adds an extra touch of flair to your creations. Now, who is this product suitable for? Well, it caters to a broad audience of crafters. Whether you're a beginner just dipping your toes into the world of jewelry making or a seasoned pro looking to create intricate designs, this beading wire is an ideal choice. The ease of use makes it beginner-friendly while still providing the quality that experienced makers expect. All you need to do to achieve a polished, professional finish is to add crimp beads and clasps. It's that simple. When it comes to practical use cases, the possibilities are endless. You can use this wire to create everything from elegant necklaces and statement bracelets to simple earrings. It's perfect for everyday bead stringing projects, allowing you to express your creativity in countless ways. Whether you're making something special for yourself or designing gifts for friends and family, this wire provides the reliability and aesthetic appeal you need. In conclusion, the Beadalon 7-Strand Stainless Steel Beading Wire is a versatile and durable option for any jewelry maker. Its strength, flexibility, and vibrant color options make it an excellent choice for a wide range of crafting projects. With its established quality and ease of use, it's a great addition to your crafting toolkit. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.